Hi everyone, on this video I'm going to show you how to cut video on Davinci Resolve. So if you want to remove something on a video or if you want to cut a dead air on your video, here's what you need to do. So first, of course, import your video to Davinci Resolve and then put it on your timeline. And once you put it on your timeline, go ahead and select what part of the video you want to cut. And then once you found the video or the part of the video you want to cut, you just need to go to this side of the application or the DaVinci Resolve. Just click on split clip, and once you clicked it, you'll see that your video is already split. And then once the video is already split into two, you just need to select the other one that you want to remove. Just select on it, and then you just need to press delete on your keyboard. There you go. The video is already cut. And that's how you cut a video on DaVinci Resolve. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.